Beginning and end of each trading day is an integral part to daily procedures. Recording the start and end of each day makes discrepancies easier to catch. Earnings for each day are clearly viewable, and reports stay accurate. In this video, we'll guide you through how to start and close a shift using the Cash Register module in RepairDesk. For a complete guide on setting up the Cash Register module, check out our video, How to Set Up the Cash Register module in RepairDesk. The link is in the description below. When a user logs into RepairDesk and navigates to the POS screen, a pop-up displays the list of available cash registers and their status. Before you can begin trading for the day, a user must select a cash register and either start a new shift or, if one is already open, join shift to continue logging transactions. Please note, a user can only join an existing shift if they have access to that register. In this video, we will start a new shift using Counter A. The user will now be prompted to verify the total cash on hand. The system will automatically display the store name, register, user, date, timestamp, and the total at the close of the previous shift. The user can count the cash manually, enter the denominations, and compare it to the previous closing balance. If there's a discrepancy, the user can add a note such as $50 missing from original balance. By clicking Start Shift, the total verified amount becomes the register's opening cash balance, and your register is now officially open, adding and removing manual cash. You may need to add or remove cash from the cash drawer throughout the day. When you need to withdraw money from the till, select Cash In Out from the menu. Choose Cash Out, enter the amount, choose Payment Type, and optionally enter a note so you can track the purpose of the payout in the note field. Then click on Save. To add cash to the register for any purpose other than opening the register, select Cash In and Out from the menu. Choose Cash In, enter the amount, choose Payment Type, and optionally enter a note to track the purpose in the note field. Then click on Save. Multiple users using the same register. If multiple users share the same register, here are your options. Join register shift. If one user has already started a shift, another can join by selecting the Join Shift option, provided they can access that register. Switch user option. If you're using the same system and another user wants to make a transaction, they can switch by selecting their name, entering their access PIN, and completing the transaction. Sales transaction with access PIN. To make a sales transaction, users can select their name, enter the access PIN at checkout, and confirm the sale. For more details, check out our video on access PIN. The link is in the description. Do you use a shared register? For stores with one shared cash register and multiple employees, RepairDesk recommends creating a general profile named Cash Register. You can log in with the Cash Register profile and start the shift for the day. All users will then be able to transact using this profile. To make a sales transaction, users can select their name, enter the access PIN at checkout, and confirm the sale. Transaction under the shift. RepairDesk automatically logs the transaction record under the register shift whenever users make the following transactions: sell an item or check out the repair with payment, add or remove manual cash, log an expense, purchase a pre-owned device, and process a refund. This ensures complete visibility for every transaction. Making payment adjustments. If you have access rights, you can switch payment types to correct incorrect entries made during the day. For example, if a user accidentally selects the wrong payment type for a received payment. To do this, click View Invoices in the POS and search for the specific invoice. Next, click on Payment History. This will open the invoice in a new tab. Scroll down to the Payment History section, click the Edit icon, update the payment method, and then click Save to finalize the changes. Closing a register. Closing your register at the end of the day allows you to total up your payments based on physical cash counts and credit card payments, and then compare this to sales and payments recorded in RepairDesk. The best practice is to close each register at the end of each day. This allows you to refer back to payment information daily. Leaving your register open for multiple days in a row can make it more difficult to pinpoint certain payments or issues at a later date. A user who started the shift can close the shift and reconcile the register by clicking on the menu and selecting End Shift. The system will show the store name, register, user, date, and time. A user can then review the following: net payment collection and opening balance. The system will display total inflow and outflow transactions, balance them, and add the opening balance for each payment method. For example, if the user started with only cash, the opening balance would be added to the total cash collection. Verify totals at the end of shift. The user can count the cash and enter it under the denominations to verify the amount in the register. They can also verify other payment methods, ensuring accuracy with supporting documents. Difference: over or short. The system will automatically show any discrepancies between the verified total and the net collection plus the opening balance. If the user wants to investigate discrepancies, they can access the transaction log report to view all transactions made during the shift. This report provides detailed information, including the date and time, register, employee, transaction type, and the amount under each payment method. Once everything is verified, the user can resolve discrepancies and enter the payout amounts for cumulative payment methods like cash. Please note, you can set non-cumulative payment methods such as bank transfer, which don't require reconciliation as the payment goes directly into the bank. The system won't allow a payout greater than the available balance. The user must leave that amount at the closing balance if a floating balance is set, such as $100. After completing the reconciliation, the user can add notes and click End Shift. The system will generate a reconciliation report, which can be downloaded and printed for record keeping. Additionally, if automated alerts are set, the system will send an email or SMS to the manager when the shift ends. For store owners, the Z report provides an overview of all current and past shifts, including reconciliation reports for each register. That's everything you need to know about opening and closing register shifts in RepairDesk. If you have any questions, please contact our support team at support@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching, and have a great day!